People often think of healthy eating as dieting. This is not true. Eating healthy is not just about losing weight, it's about feeling better both physically and mentally. Eating healthy is about balance and making sure that your body is getting the necessary nutrients it needs to function properly. Healthy eating habits require that people eat fruits, vegetables, whole grains, fats, proteins, and starches. Keep in mind that healthy eating requires that you're mindful of what you eat and drink, but also how you prepare it. For best results, individuals should avoid fried or processed foods, as well as foods high in added sugars and salts. Top 5 benefits of healthy eating. 1. Weight loss. One of the main reasons people eat a healthy diet is to maintain a healthy weight or to lose weight. A healthy weight has a plethora of benefits on its own, but we won't get into that here. 2. Heart health. Even if you're young, you should think about your heart health, especially considering that as many as 92.1 million people in the US have some type of cardiovascular disease. Healthy eating habits can improve your heart health and prevent heart diseases. 3. Strong bones and teeth. If you pay close attention, you might notice that a lot of elderly individuals use dentures in order to eat and talk properly. A healthy diet can help individuals make sure they have strong teeth and bones now and in the future, thus preventing teeth decay and osteoporosis. 4. Better mood and energy levels. You are what you eat. If you eat a healthy, balanced diet, you will feel better and more energized. Furthermore, if you eat properly, then it means your body is getting all of the nutrients it needs to function properly, which will improve your energy levels. Avoid sugary foods and drinks to prevent sugar highs and crashes. 5. Improved memory and brain health. Eating healthy increases blood flow to the brain, which help prevent brain diseases like Alzheimer's, dementia, and cognitive decline. This doesn't mean that you can't indulge yourself every now and then. You have to learn to listen to your body and provide it with what it needs. The occasional pizza, chocolate, or soda is okay as long as you are mindful of what you eat on a day-to-day basis. At Shift Workspaces, we care about our members' well-being, which is why we encourage healthy eating by providing healthy snacks every day.